Welcome back. Malgaon police have arrested 9 persons in a kidnapping case. The gang had kidnapped Mohammed Inamdar. They had demanded 1 lakh ransom. Mohammed is grievously injured.
Mohammed Inamdar was kidnapped and brutally attacked by a gang of 9 in Madgaon. He is a resident of Karasange. We spoke with the victim.
काम करताना जाल्यार तुका म्हाजे कडेन 1 लाख रुपया मागिल्ले म्हाजे कितले जाण ते 20 जाण आशिल्ले 15-20 जाण आशिल्ले 1 लाख रुपया मागशिल्ले हय खूब मारला ते खंय दवरलो हे सेल्टाच्या उपर सेल्टाच्या शोरूम आसा मोबाईल शॉप तेजे वयर फ्लॅट आसा थंय दवरले म्हाका.
The gang demanded 1 lakh ransom from Muhammad's uncle. This was informed to the police. Cops succeeded in nabbing the culprits.
म्हाका फोन मारला कितें म्हूण 1 लाख घेवन येवन नाल्यार हेका माता आमी मागीर हांव आनी म्हगे फ्रेंड गेले थिंगा उलयले बाबा कितें जालें तें सांग तेका मेळपा दी आमी उलयता ते खरें तुमची चोरी केला काय म्हूण तो कितें म्हणपा लागलो ना आमी तेजे तो आमकां 2 वर्स पयलीं तो चोरी करून धांवलेलो हात मेळ्ळा तो म्हूण तेका मारून बी पयशे हाड म्हणपा लागलो. हांव मागीर साहेबाक वचून सांगिल्लें बाबा अशें जालां साहेब म्हजे बरोबर येयलो सगळ्यांक हुजीर तेंकां धरलो मागीर.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
A Bihari labourer Samshed Ansari was found dead at his rented room in Varka. It is suspected that he has been murdered by 5 of his roommates. All 5 are absconding.
Shamshed Ansari was found dead in a rented room at Varka. He is a resident of Bihar and was working as a labourer. He was accompanied by other 5 roommates from Jharkhand. Police reached at the site and inspected the area. It is suspected that same roommates have murdered him and fled away.
हे सगळे एकाच कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायटीचेर काम करपी थंय पेडा वार्का एक कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायट आसा कुर्तादो रियल इस्टेट म्हणून थंय ते काम करपी तांचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर इम्तियाज म्हणून तर ह्या बाबतीन मिस्टर सोलोन कुर्तादो हाणें कंप्लेंट दिल्ली आसा आनी मर्डर केस रजिस्टर जाल्या कोलवा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर. आतां ते 4 जाण लेबर मिसींग आसा ते कित्याक लागून मिसींग आसा हें वेरिफिकेशन चालू आसा. थंय डॉग स्क्वॉड आनी एक्सपर्ट आतां पावल्या स्पॉटाचेर तर ताचे उपरांत फुडें जर आनी कोणाचो इनवॉल्वमेंट आसा किंवा कित्याक लागून जालें तें कळटलें.
Locals have blamed the house owner for providing the accommodation to such antisocial elements.
तूं मान गेले आमगे फॅमिली ते मान गेले जाल्यार कितू प्रॉब्लेम जातले हिंगा तेका लागून हे तांकां चड एक्शन व्हड एक्शन घेवपा जाय.
पयली मिस्टेकी जावन आसा की तांकां दवरतेले मनशाची असले मनशांक भाड्यान दवरून पयशे मेळटा म्हण तांकां खूंय खूंय दवरतात. आपण दवरले आनी आपल्या पयशे मेळटा म्हण ते ओगे हाडून दवरपाचें न्हय.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists has urged the government to control the licensing of pharmacies. Association feels that the excess licensing leads to unhealthy competition and pharmacists indulge in malpractices.
Today, there is no bar on issuance of retail licenses. We are already telling the government of India and the drug authority that don't create more medical store, because after all instead of profession this will become a business. धंधा बनेगा. पापी पेट के लिए कुछ भी आदमी कर सकता है तो उसमें this problem create.
Chemist and Druggist Association of Goa held an annual general body meeting on Sunday at Donapaul. President of All India Organization of Chemist and Druggist, J.S. Shinde, was the chief guest for the function. Shinde said association will introduce revolutionary changes in medicine supply system.
The All India Organization of Chemists and Druggist created a limited company in the name and style All Indian Origin Chemists Distributors Limited. Our aim is we are just converting our retailer into a chain. We company is not going to set his own shops, whereas both the companies will act as a service provider to them.
8 pharmacists were felicitated for their outstanding performance and service. 4 were felicitated for completion of 100 years in pharmacy services. A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Scientists throughout the world have started more research on human stem cells. Research has proved that human stem cells can help blind people to regain their eyesight. Many doctors also advise to preserve umbilical cords of newly born babies as they contain stem cells. Here is a report.
Professor D. Balasubramaniam is a well-known researcher in field of eye surgery. He spoke on the cells and stem cells at the NIO's 45th Foundation Day ceremony at Donapal on Saturday. Balasubramaniam's research also focuses on biology of eye diseases. He says there has to be more research on stem cell as it can help blind people to regain their eyesight.
This was a young girl who was only 6 months old. Here the sight that was restored was from 0 to something like 2600. What you would see at 600 feet, she can see at 20 feet, but she can see. She has 20/20 vision on both eyes. So it's possible to use limbal stem cells to restore vision to a very large number of people.
Stem cells are present in human body. This cell can cure certain diseases suffered by human beings. But many people don't have much knowledge of stem cells and their use. Stem cells are present in many parts of human body. One of them is umbilical cord. Now researchers have started advising parents to preserve umbilical cord of their newly born babies as it contains stem cells. In later stage, if baby suffers from any chronic illness, then this stem cell can be used for cure. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanurkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.